Let's check out this international travel adapter by Ceptics, model UP-11KU. Here's what the box looks like that the product comes in. The device works in more than 150 countries, and you can use it in places such as the USA, EU, Australia, and UK. Let's now open up the box to see everything that's included inside. So in the box, we get a quick start guide, and in that quick start guide, we have a list of all the compatible countries, and we also have a diagram of the actual adapter itself with directions on how to use it, and then we have the actual adapter. So on this side, we have the universal outlet, then on the other side, we have 3 different sliders for each outlet type, and then we have 2 USB-C ports. On the other side, we have the release button. We also have 3 standard USB ports, and then on the back, we have the various prongs. So based on your location, use the appropriate slider and then slide it out. Now the prongs are tilted in for Australia, but for me to use this in North America, I need to turn the prongs, and then now I'm going to plug the device into this outlet. So that was very easy to plug in. So the first option I have is to plug a device into the universal outlet on the top. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to plug in the device that I want to charge. And you can see it immediately begins charging. Next, I'm going to plug this USB into each of the 3 USB ports. So here's port number 1. It's now charging. Port number 2. Now charging. And then port number 3. Now charging. And then, in addition to that, we have 2 USB-C ports, like I mentioned earlier. So I have this double-sided USB-C cable. So I'm going to be charging this phone that features a USB-C port on the bottom. So first, I'm going to plug one of these ends into the phone itself. And then I'm going to plug the other end into the USB-C port. And you can see this fast charging compatible phone is now fast charging. Next, I'm going to switch it over to the other USB-C port. And it's now charging the phone as well. All of the connections are extremely sturdy, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out. And then if you want to switch to a different prong, or if you want to just put the prongs back into the device, you just have to hold down this button on the side and then push the slider back in. And then you can easily slide out another prong as well. So this is the Type-C PD travel adapter from Ceptics.